this style unboxing, and I like it, those jars. The only I don't like about those jars, and most people probably don't like, they're so cute. I like the silver onion and the fact that they glass and elegant and cute. But the only I don't like is the fact that they just widespread. And when you're cooking, probably what you like of the regular one is that you're rushing or something, you just have to open this space here and just using those holes here and ready to go like this. And when you're using that system probably like this, you don't want to get dirty your nails by putting a pinch of or something. You have to use a spoon, you know. So now you have to work with a spoon, so I'm gonna put little spoons on it. But now there's another ideas that I'm gonna give you if you want to change the system, so you can work on that as well. So and so now I'm putting my onion powder as well. I like to work with onion powder, garlic powder, but as well I like to work with garlic, fresh garlic as well, or cold garlic or dry garlic as well. So I use a fresh garlic or cold garlic as well. And those red peppers dry for pizzas of and stuff like this that I always got. Steak I don't use that much, but I got much. You remember the what I bought, so beautiful, the tags that I bought in Michael's. They're so cute in cursive letters, and I bought in Michael's. So they got something here called like a steak. So I never had using that so much. Is they don't fit in the drawer because it's something that I haven't used. So I'm gonna place in my pantry because they look so fancy in your pantry. You can place in your pantry, but they look super cute, guys. Let me tell you, they look super cute. And you can put like a rack, a spicy rack in your pantry and pour those, and they look like the candies balls what I told you. And they're gonna look super duper glam, super nice, elegant, and all that. So we're gonna put the steak on there. They're gonna look super nice and glam and all that. Those paper looks wonderful. Final product, and you're gonna let me know. I'm just coming because I'm Latina, and Latina like coming. I like my coming in my meats, in my ground meat, and my beans. I love the flavor of the coming. So if you like coming in another recipes, comment down below and let me know on one more you like, what other food or recipes you put it, and let me know. So now let's gonna continue. Now is clean the drawer, and then cut and then cut a piece, a clean piece of the size of the stuff, and put in the stuff, and put on the piece. You see, take your measurements and put together. Okay, so This is okay. This is how you have to put after clean this, and you cut a clean piece of this for support and don't slippery. So I took the measurements before order the IKEA stuff all in order. So for me to put the beautiful labels, and you see how pretty they look. I love this instead of using the label maker that is not cursive. I don't know, but look more glamour in this way. So you see, I'm gonna teach you. So you see this here, you put in order the ones you got, and you see this is the garlic. So we see here garlic. You take them, you have to see good and in the position you're gonna see, because once you paste this, you need to put in position. If you repaste again, they don't gonna look well pasted, or they gonna look like kind of weird. It's because my advice is buy 2 or 3 of those. If you make mistake or you take out and this broke, you have more of the garlics to do. What I do is I put these things to label all, and I know where I'm gonna put the word. And now I know where I'm gonna put my garlic, and I'll do the center where the word gonna be here. And then we're getting Hey friends, so let's gonna check the end result. Look how beautiful and organized system. Yes, so let's check. This is my favorite spot to cook. So at the right hand I have my favorite and daily spice. So my favorite spice I use daily to cook. So here I have, since I explained that the IKEA system don't have the shaker, so I got just right here what I'm using right now, my measurement spoons and my stuff. Since I begin my routine every day working out, and my husband has to take the lunch early, like at 11 something, he had to work at 12. So sometimes I have to cook, and I have to put everything in the slow cooker. So I get my condiments or my spices here. In this bowl I put, for example, if I had to cook chicken with vegetables, I put cumin, garlic, oregano, parsley, all I need. I mix it up, and I put in my slow cooker, put the lid back on it, and my vegetables that I'm gonna need, baby carrots, potatoes, all I'm gonna use on it, and get ready to go. If I do my workout before I'm gonna do that day when I work out, so I use the Instant Pot, and everything's gonna be ready to go. So I do the others, I put the others that I don't use that much just in here, because I don't do this daily. I just use it for some recipes, whatever they. So if I had to customize some of those myself, was a difficult hard work, because in those stickers that I show you that I find in Michael's, that I love the phone. I was in love with this phone. Look, Citizen Glam. They have parsley, they have oregano, but they have a lot of words that I don't know, like caraway, like a lot of stuff that I really don't know the words. But how is it possible they don't have bay leaves when it's so common? So I had to customize it called word by word and do BAY why and do my why and do my own. So they didn't have, for example, I know burger probably now, so I had to customize my burger. I had to customize my red for red pepper. I had to customize another things like on here, for example, basil. How they don't gonna have basil? This is so common. I know, for example, that they're gonna have this. This was, guys, something Colombian spicy we use, so I cannot say, but basil or red pepper, or for example, bay leaves. But they had a lot of stuff, guys, that I don't know what it is at all. I never had this one in my life, and they just have on it. So now, you know, I have this beautiful thing here. I love this system as well. And you know, this is my kitchen. You know, this is what it was. I love this system. But on here that I got before, you see how it is? I can pick whatever I want. But here I got stuff different that I don't did on here, because this is what I use daily. And this is what is not common, so I didn't repeat. I use daily. And this, for example, coriander. I don't use this that much, and I don't use savory. I don't know what is deal with. I don't got on here, but I got on here. So I then repair measure, and I don't know how to pronounce, but it's this Italian seasoning. I got basil, but I trying to know, like, repeat, like, okay, just making this kind of stuff. But I like the system of this. I got the cinnamon that I got on there, ground fennel, so stuff like this, you see. But I like this. This is some slide on got it, and I got reuses. I finished that I can make, and the good of this thing is this can be peeled, and you can with your label maker, you can put it on. So that is a good system, and you just have a run hand. So I like this, and I can use another that I don't use, and I can refill that. It's good as well. And those beautiful things, I'm gonna buy like some kind of beautiful stand and put it in my pantry as well, because I like how they look, and probably I'm gonna need more. So, and those that I use every day, I'm gonna get on here. And you see, as a Latina I am, I put my Goya, and I buy an acrylic something, because I use Goya that much when I'm preparing something, but I don't use the whole packet. I use a little bit, and I put on my beans when I cooking, or sometimes in my rice, and use the chicken bouillon. And instead of the cubes, I like this because it's on powder a little bit. I I like the vegetables one that don't have chicken broth or something. I like this with achiote. I like with saffron. They have different kind of stuff. Let me know what you use as well. And in Colombia, my country, we use those cumin, all the spice. I use sometimes here for desserts the ground one. We use this waska that I explained already. We use the whole cloves. We use the whole cinnamon, but don't fix because that is big. They had anise for some recipe, like arepas, sweet arepas. I love it. We just we use that much those things. So let me know in your country, if you are Latina as well, what more stuff you use. You can comment down below and let me know. You can comment if you like the system. You know, let me know. Now let's move here. What you can do with the big packet leftovers, because you can feel them. But those big packets, for example, talking about the cinnamon sticks, those cinnamon sticks I use just for decoration. The ones like I buy here in United States, those little ones, I use for the decor. But if you are using those and you see they can fit in your Ikea and you use it, check if they're using Ikea and you can put it there. But those I don't use it, I just use for decor in my cocoa bar. Check my cocoa bar, and when I'm drinking cocoa, those full times, I put in my cocoa. I like to put in my cocoa, but I don't cook with my cocoa or for my recipes. And talking about cocoa, and look my link down below and see my cocoa bar station, my full cocoa bar station that I post down below, and give a thumb down, share, and enjoy. So if you got the big refills like this, you can keep it. I'm gonna teach you how. And this is the one I use. This is from my country, and these guys have too much flavor. For me to cook on my recipes with this, I had to use like 3 or 4 to make, like, rice pudding or another dessert custards or something. Just 3 or something for me to feel the flavor. But with this, to my hot chocolate or hot cocoa, whatever, I just need a little piece like this, and I feel, boom, the most flavor ever. But you see how big they are? They're super heavy and don't gonna fit in the Ikea, so I need to keep in those big containers. So if you're gonna keep like this, try to keep in all the bags look alike in the same color. If you are like me, I obsessed we all look alike, and you label maker and put here, cinnamon, whole cinnamon, and make look alike. So you can use a bean if you are like me, like pick a pretty with your label maker or whatever kind. I just put this for you, you put this here, and you are like me, like you don't have nobody see what you got in your stuff in the pantry, and you just put in order, all looking around. If you don't want either, if the bean is not see-through, nobody gonna look. This is the wask. If you got bigger refills, so you buy all in a big packets, but it's just seasoning and nobody gonna know one. So now, if you just seasoning in your pantry, I'm gonna teach you some tricks in your pantry, because I'm making a video for the pantry organization, and I'm gonna do step by step because it's in a budget. I'm gonna tell you how to do. How to do stuff immediately, but all have to look alike. It's not one being gonna be this color and another in this color. No, all have to look alike. So this is not the color that I'm using, but it's an example, and you just ready to put in the pantry and take out. So you're gonna have to refill. But if you're a see-through person, just buy those refrigerators acrylic ones, and you need to see what you got and what you don't have. So, and thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoy my system, and I hope you really have some inspiration from this kind of videos. So thank you so much. Don't forget to give it the thumbs and share the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.